Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. So for today's video I'm doing a little bit of experiment, and that will be trying to become Instagram celebrity, Instagram famous in a week. So I already tried to do this kind of a challenge, but second day I got sick and I couldn't upload pictures anymore, and I really wanted to really be consistent with this. I didn't want to upload just 2 pictures and to be like meh. No, because I think that within 7 days you can make do miracles or Instagram, and I'm going to show you my Instagram, how it looks. If you want to follow me, you can see my username here, and I'm just going to screen record everything so you can see here. So as you can see, when you go in my Instagram, you can see that I have this much profile visits in last 7 days. So the reason that I have a lot of followers but I don't have much likes and much pictures is because I don't upload pictures really often. I usually upload 1 picture a month and that's it for me, but I really want to change that and to see will there be any difference. So I'm just going to show you my statistics. So this is how much followers I have, and it's not bad but it's not good. I expect in 1 week to get 1000 followers, I expect that. And I'm going to content wise, what I want to do, I want to upload 1 picture a day and at least 2 stories a day, because I read somewhere that the more stories you upload, your pictures will be better. So I want to see is that true. And these are 2 pictures that I uploaded when I was I'm going to film that. This one was not really great, this one is okay, but I'm going to actually show you a couple of my pictures that really got a lot of clout. That is this picture. I don't know why these pictures have this much likes, and you can see it has a lot of saves, people were sharing it and stuff like that. Then a picture that I have a lot of likes is this picture. As you can see, it has a lot of saves. So my best pictures are the ones where I upload my outfits, where you can see my whole body. I have a lot of likes and saves and stuff and pictures like that. I will try to upload similar pictures like that, and I actually already made a couple of pictures, because I think maybe it's going to be a little bit hard for me to take a picture every day. So I have a couple of pictures. So today we're going to upload our first picture. So I'm going to show you what is the picture that I want to post. It's this one. As you can see, I'm just going to adjust it a little bit like that. And I see, oh no, it's too dark. So I need a little bit of brightness. Yeah, like that. Maybe that's too much, maybe like this. Or maybe I don't even need brightness. Yeah, a little much, not too big. And I'm going to upload my first picture right now, and I have to tell you that I also want to do captions for my pictures, because I think captions are also a big deal, but I don't know what to put a caption for this picture. Okay guys, I'm going to go and think about my caption, and then I'm going to come back later to show you how is this picture going so far. Guys, as you can see, it's Tuesday and it's the right time to upload new picture on my Instagram. I just want to show you that I actually lost followers. Like, that's insane. I almost lost like 30 followers, but I did receive some followers, and this is how my first picture went. So it has, why you can't see that? Yeah, you can see now. These are my insides. So yeah, I think it's really funny, and I uploaded 2 like stories and they were okay. They are not there anymore, so now we're going to upload new picture. This is my new picture that I want to upload, and I'm going to share it. So here is my new picture. I think it's really cute. And guys, I also want to change my bio, and I don't know, you can see probably that my views went a little bit higher, so I think that's cool. And I just have to figure out what to put here, because I want to be something like really cool and cute. So let me just see. I already have 68 likes and 2 comments in just 3 minutes. Guys, so I just ended filming this video first of all, and then I realized that I finished with my challenge, and I wanted to show you what's up, and because I didn't want to do every day like check-in, because I thought that would maybe be boring for you. I wanted to like come now and tell you everything. I show you actually first 2 days, Monday and Tuesday, and then Tuesday. So these are like my insights before I uploaded picture. So on this post I had 977 likes, 16 comments and 10 saves, which is basically what I do every day. But as you can see, followers, like, it was not going well. Like, my followers, like, as you can see, they dropped. They really dropped. Like, I kept losing and losing and losing followers, and it was like it was like really a struggle for me. I uploaded a picture in Wednesday, but I decided not to upload a picture on Thursday because I didn't want to lose more followers. Like, I was like, okay, I'm losing a lot of followers, I don't want to do that anymore, so I'm basically going to skip one day, because I thought maybe I'm uploading a lot of pictures and people are getting bored with me. I uploaded my picture on Friday, and as you can see, the followers raised. Like, finally I got some followers, I was finally happy. Then on Saturday I went out with friends, so I was like, yeah, I'm going to take my pictures and to upload one more picture. And then I uploaded this picture, as you can see, and these are my insights for that picture. That picture went really well, and I actually uploaded in like 10 or 11 p.m. So guys, these insights were from Monday. Today is Wednesday, and I wanted to just show you final results. I'm going to screen record everything, and as you can see, people are following me. Like, they're commenting, they're following me. As you can see, I added my bio, and actually when I finish making this video, I'm going to start with TikTok. I will try to be famous on TikTok too, because I actually think on TikTok will be really easy, because I uploaded maybe like 5 videos on TikTok, and I'm already having, I think, maybe 800 followers. So this is the picture that I posted on Sunday. As you can see, these are the likes that I have. My little like caption, it's cute. This picture went really well, as you can see. So then this is my picture from Friday, it's okay, like not too bad. Then this is my picture from Wednesday. This picture was also like really cool. Then picture from Tuesday, cool, and picture from Monday. It's not really amazing, but it's not bad. And then you can see my insides. So yeah, that and my audience. As you can see, I'm still growing my followers. And I just forgot to say, but for my Insta stories, I have to tell you guys that I didn't even expect that, because I uploaded every day 2 stories. Like, I really tried. So as you can see, I uploaded a lot of quotes and stuff like that. And I have to tell you, like, look at my views from like before I started making that challenge. I had 1,050 views per story, and look now. Now I'm having only like 800 views on my stories, and I don't know why, because I actually thought, as you can see this picture too, I actually thought that I'm going to like raise my story views a lot, but for some reason it did not end well, but it's not like too bad. So yeah guys, that was it for today's video. It would really mean to me a lot if you subscribe to my channel, and if you like this video, if you like this type of videos, so I would know to make more videos like this. But I already decided, like, when I'm finished with filming this video, I'm going to start filming my TikTok experience, because I really wanted to see, will I get TikTok famous? Because I really think that it's a lot easier to be famous there. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can watch that video. That video will be up, I think next week. Yeah, next week or something like that. Not really sure, but when I finish my challenge, I'm going to upload it. And yeah, if you want some different videos to see from me, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like my video. And yeah guys, I really love you, and I'll see you next time. Bye!